Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and this is week 2 of my keto reset. In this video, you'll see everything that I ate to lose weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that my meal ideas give you some ideas on how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. Now let's get to the food. All right everyone, it's Saturday and I am having my first meal of the day. I bet you can't guess what I'm having. 46 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a cup of 5% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade meal water enhancer. That's gonna be my first meal of the day. All right everyone, it's Saturday night and I am having my Italian chicken. I have 6 ounces of chicken breast, over 155 grams of spaghetti squash with a half cup of Rao's marinara sauce and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And that's gonna be my last meal of the day. Everyone, it's Sunday. This is gonna be my first meal of the day. I'm heading out to Denver and this is what I'm gonna eat before I head out on the road. It is basically the same thing I eat every day. 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, fried in a pan, 2 eggs, and a Primal Thin bakery bar. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, the first thing I'm having is a Caesar salad. Alright, and I'm having an 8-ounce prime rib with a little bit of grilled squash. That's moju. And that's gonna be my last meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Monday morning in Colorado and I just found my way to a Walmart and they happen to have a Jimmy John's in the parking lot. So I got me a Jimmy John's unwedged. This is the number 11 with a lettuce wrap. Then I'm gonna also have my last Primal Thin bar and a package of Quest protein chips, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Hey guys, it's probably just nerves being alone in a new city, but I bought these at Walmart and I'm going to go ahead and eat them now because I feel like I'm starving. I'm probably not starving in actuality, but I am hungry and it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so yeah. I think I'm going to go ahead and eat these and hopefully I won't regret it. Alright guys, this is our appetizer. Can you believe this? Deviled eggs. Denver, you're cool. Alright, course 2 is an avocado Caesar salad. Gluten-free. This waiter has been awesome about remembering that we aren't eating any gluten or sugar. So, woohoo! Alright guys, this is my prime rib. It's amazing. Alrighty guys, I'm having an 8-piece plain wings with some hot sauce and some ranch dressing from Wingstop and possibly some Quest protein chips, which I brought with me if I'm still hungry. I don't know if I'm going to eat those or not. Probably don't need the protein, but I might want to eat them just to eat them. They're kind of getting smushed at this point because they've been in my bag so long. And maybe some Lily bar because why not? But I don't know. We'll see. And that's going to be my first meal of the day and it is 3:22. Not even kidding. Hey, I'm at Texas Roadhouse with all my peeps. I'm gonna show y'all. Hello. Hey, Wendy. She has a channel. You should go. And this is my salad with ranch. She was filming her food too, so I'm just giving her a hard time. So guys, guess what? I didn't order that salad. Guess who ordered it? Yep. He let me eat his salad. I ordered a Caesar salad. It's not here yet. Dark. Here's the real food that I actually ordered. I got a chicken Caesar salad. Sorry, I tried to steal your salad, Dave. All right, everyone. I am here at Wendy Barron's house. You guys should check out her channel, Wendy Barron. That's all it's called. B-A-R-R-O-N. It's just like whatever. And she made me breakfast. Isn't this cute? So I'm having 2 boiled eggs and 4 pieces of bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 4 pepperonis, and a thing of 2% Fage, I think it's 2%, yeah. Greek yogurt sweetened with her fabulous favorite raspberry lemonade, not Mio, non-Mio from Target. And that's what I'm gonna have for my first meal of the day.
Yeah, this is
I am having this huge omelet that has 3 different meats in it and some tomatoes on the side, and then she's bringing me also a side of bacon. So this ought to be a delicious first meal of the day. And here's my bacon. So delicious. That looks like good bacon. We're here at Olive Garden. We're having Italian salad with no croutons. And that's gonna be our first course. Hey guys, here is proof. The Zoodles Primavera with grilled chicken. Right here at Olive Garden, right on the menu. Pretty dang amazing. And Dave actually got it. The noodles and the veggies with a different sauce and a different meat. So apparently you can do that as well, guys. So, woohoo! Go Olive Garden. All right, everyone, it's Friday. It's good to be back home having my regular same old food. This morning I'm having 2 farm fresh fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese that I fried in a pan, 30 grams of center cut bacon, and a Julian Bakery Primal Thin Sweet Cream Bar. These just got here yesterday, so woohoo, I got some more because they did so well on them that first week. So good to be back home. I'm back on my regular fat loss macros. This vacation week has been a little bit crazy, and I'm glad to be back to the good old same old that I can count on for the rest of the summer. That's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Friday night and I am having fajitas with Quest protein chips today. So I have 1 bag of Quest cheddar. Actually, are these the lime?
Yes.
Oh, they're my favorite. Chili lime protein chips from Quest with 4 ounces of sliced roast beef, I think it's about 50 or 60 grams of onion and 70 grams of bell pepper, about 50 grams of tomato, 4 tablespoons of light sour cream, 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese, and some lettuce. I think that's everything. Oh no, salsa. 4 tablespoons of fresh salsa. That's going to be my awesome, delicious Friday night meal, last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week on my Keto Reset Week 2 on my ketogenic journey. I hope that you guys will take some ideas from this video and join us over on Facebook so that we can help each other and help each other be motivated and give each other support as we move through our weight loss journeys together. Don't forget to also check out my Patreon. I'm always grateful for everybody that can help donate to this channel to help keep it going and help keep me motivated to reach my final goal of 27% body fat. And Patreon definitely helps me do this. And also, if you really love this channel and you want to show your Keto Chaos love, we have a Teespring store with lots of merchandise that you can check out. All of that is in the About section below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.